When you practice these easy and effortless yogasanas, you also have to take a balanced diet. If you want to live a healthy life, you must drink 1 to 4 glasses of water in the morning. If you suffer from joint pain or asthma, then drink lukewarm water. After answering the call of nature, you may practice pranayam for at least half an hour every day. If you have time, then practice yoga for at least 1 hour every day. You will live through the next 23 hours with joy. Do pranayam for 45 minutes and yoga exercises for 15 minutes. For such practitioners, we have prepared a package of yoga known as Complete Fitness that you may practice every day. You may never fall ill. Drink water only 1 hour after the meals. You should eat green vegetables. For breakfast, take sprouts, milk and fruits. Do not consume salt with milk. With precautions like these, you can maintain your health and can live a healthy life till 100. Today, in the series of easy and effortless yogasanas, let's do Surya Namaskar. It's a complete exercise that you can practice just once in a week. Practice whenever you have time. Do not worry if you do not find time every day. Surya Namaskar is a complete exercise. Your arms, thighs, chest and all parts of your body will become attractive and strong. Your personality will become attractive. Glow on your face will enhance. Along with this, do Kapalabhati. Now let us stand up to practice the postures of Surya Namaskar. Keep both the feet together and hands folded in Namaskar Mudra. Young or old, anyone can practice Surya Namaskar. Those suffering from back pain, heart ailments or blood pressure may abstain. This exercise is for healthy people. You will always be fit. Believe me, prevention is better than cure. While breathing in, bend backwards. While breathing out, bend forward. It's an important rule. Now second exercise of Surya Namaskar. While taking a deep breath, bend backwards. Now while breathing out, bend forward. Knees will remain straight. Rest both of your palms on the floor. Both the knees straight. Now fourth posture. Keep the right leg in the same position. Stretch the left leg backwards. Right foot in the same position. Balance your body weight on the right leg. Left leg must remain straight. With the breath still in, look upward. Left leg must remain straight. Chest stretched upward. Now take the right leg also backward. Now practice the fifth posture. Ankles of both the feet resting on the ground. Bend your head inward to look at the navel. Sixth posture. Rest your knees on the ground. Chest also resting on the ground. You just have to lift your stomach up. Seventh posture. Lift your chest upward. As you practice the Bhujangasana, feet will remain together, elbows will remain straight. You will lift your front part while inhaling. And while breathing out, lift the middle part of your body. You have to lift the middle portion. Knees straight, toes stretched and heels resting on the ground. Bending your head inward, try to look at your stomach, your navel. Now bring your left leg in the center of your hands. The other leg will remain straight. Now bring the other leg also in the front while breathing out. Now while breathing in, slowly raise your arms up and then slowly bend backwards. And now while breathing out, come back to the Namaskar Mudra. Now bring your hands up, then bring them down sideways. These were the 12 postures of the Surya Namaskar.